that he could smell stinking rats in the recruitment scam known as School Job for Cash scam, and stated that the appointment of all 36,000 candidates who were untrained at the appointments of all 36,000 candidates who were untrained at the time of recruitment in 2016 recruitment process conducted by the board in the post of primary teachers are cancelled. This judgment is pronounced by the single judge Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay in the case of Priyanka Naskar and others versus the Union of India and others. ये केस 140 रिट पिटिशनर्स ने फाइल किया था who were qualified in teacher eligibility test 2014 and participated in 2016 recruitment process and called for interview but did not get appointment. Hearing के दौरान पिटिशनर्स ने कोर्ट के सामने कई पर्टिकुलर्स डिस्क्लोज किए और बताया कि 2016 के इस रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के पैनल प्रिपरेशन में सीरियस इलीगैलिटीज हुई हैं और अनट्रेन्ड कैंडिडेट्स को अपॉइंटमेंट दी गई है। पिटिशनर गंगोपाध्याय के बेंच ने शुक्रवार को इस केस पे अपना जजमेंट सुनाया और 36,000 अनट्रेन्ड टीचर्स जिन्हें वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड ऑफ प्राइमरी एजुकेशन ने 2016 में रिक्रूट किया था उनकी अपॉइंटमेंट्स कैंसिल कर दी है। उन्होंने जजमेंट सुनाते हुए कहा दैट ही कुड स्मेल स्टिंकिंग रैट्स इन द रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम नोन एज स्कूल जॉब फॉर कैश स्कैम एंड स्टेटेड दैट द appointment of all 36,000 candidates who were untrained at the time of recruitment in 2016 recruitment process conducted by the board in the post of primary teachers are cancelled. जज ने स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एक्सेप्ट करने से मना कर दिया जहां पे वो करप्शन के एलिगेशंस को काउंटर करने के बजाय उन्हें लॉ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आर्ग्यूमेंट्स दे रहे थे। जस्टिस गंगोपाध्याय ने कहा कि ये केस अब ईडी के इन्वेस्टिगेशन दायरे में आ गया है। A corruption of this magnitude was never known in the state of West Bengal. The former education minister, the former president of the board, and a number of middlemen through whom the job was sold like a commodity are now behind the bars, and the CBI and ED investigation is being continued now in full swing. मैटर पे अपना ऑर्डर सुनाते हुए बेंच ने डायरेक्ट किया कि इमीडिएटली एक रिक्रूटमेंट एक्सरसाइज अरेंज की जाए फॉर कैंडिडेट who were untrained at the time of recruitment, including candidates who have obtained training qualification in the meantime within a period of 3 months from date only for the candidate who participated in 2016 recruitment process where both interview and aptitude test of all examinees shall be taken and the whole interview process has to be videographed carefully and preserved. As we know, Justice Gangopadhyay was also hearing the case of TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee, but it is now transferred to the bench of Justice Amrita Sinha upon the Supreme Court directions. We have in detail discussed about this case in our video. Kindly check the link in the caption. Thank you for watching Law Chakra. Keep supporting and follow us.